Guess the name of this thing. Spoon. What is this? Laptop. Do you know this object? Carrot. What is this? Bicycle. What do we call this item? Mirror. What is this? Pillow. Do you know this object? Wrench. What is this? Mountain. What do we call this? Cloud. Guess the name of this thing. Banana. What is this? Chair. Do you know this object? Table. What is this called in English? Smartphone. Do you know this object? Refrigerator. Can you name this thing? Book. What is this called in English? Pen. Can you name this thing? Cup. What is this? Drill. What do we call this item? Tomato. Can you name this thing? Onion. Do you know this object? Apple. What is this? Camera. Can you name this thing? Keyboard. What do we call this item? Mouse. What is this thing called in English? Train. What do we call this item? Rocket. What is this? Planet. Can you name this thing? Leaf. Guess the name of this thing? Flower. What do we call this item? Guitar. What is this called in English? Television. What is this? Bottle. Guess the name of this thing. Screwdriver. Can you name this thing? Lamp. What is this thing called in English? Blanket. What do we call this item? Door. Can you name this thing? Window. Do you know this object? Sofa. What is this thing called in English? Brush. Can you name this thing? Hammer. Do you know this object? Boat. What is this called in English? Airplane. Guess the name of this thing. Wheel. What is this? Helmet. What do we call this? Shovel. Guess the name of this thing? Ruler. What do we call this? Notebook. What is this? Eraser. What do we call this? Clock. What is this thing called in English? Basket.